So far this year, we've learned how to make words that have consonants and vowels. We've learned how to make words with digraphs, where there's two consonants that are making a new sound together. We've learned how to add suffixes to base words. Today, we're going to learn something new called consonant blends. Consonant blends are words that have consonants in them that are next to one another, but those consonants keep their sounds. So it's different from digraphs that come together and make a new sound. These consonants still have their sounds. They're just next to each other. Let's practice doing this.
Let's start by making the word ship. Ship is another word for a boat. Let's tap that out to start. Sh, I, p. So I know that ship is going to have 3 sound tiles. So the first one that I need is sh. Let me see where, and I know that sh is one of my digraphs. So it starts with sh. The next one that I heard was I. I. Sounds kind of like itch, and I know that that is the letter I. Now the last one is, so it's sh, I, p. So I need the sound for the end that says p. And that sound is right here. Sh, I, p, ship. Now I'm going to change this. Instead of it saying ship, I want it to say slip. Like I saw the boy slip on the banana peel. So let's try to tap that now. Slip. So wait a second. Slip sounds like it doesn't have a digraph at the beginning. So I'm going to take out that digraph. How does slip start? S. So I need to find the letter that says S. And I know that that letter is the same letter as in snake. So I need another consonant. The consonant is ol. Then I had I, which we already have, p, which we already have. So now this is the same number of letters as in the word ship, but look at how it has actually 4 sounds. Ship only had 3 sounds. This letter has, or this word has s, o, I, p. Now, when you have 2 consonants next to each other, and those consonants keep their sounds, like in the word slip, we call that a blend because the consonants are right next to each other, but they're keeping their sounds and they're blending. Kind of like when you take 2 things and mix them up. They still keep their sounds, but they're kind of very tight, close together. I'm going to put back the S. I'm going to put back the L. I'm going to put back the I. And I'm going to put back the P. So the next word that we're going to try to make is another one that has a blend in it. So listen to this word. Flip. Like I can do a flip on my trampoline. Let's tap that out again. Flip. Okay, kind of like slip, but in this case it's flip. So what letter will say f? If you were thinking an F, then you are right. O, I, flip. Flip. Yes, I can do a flip on my trampoline. So again, there's a blend right here. They each are keeping their sounds, but they're right next to each other. Okay, let's try one more. What if the blend was not at the beginning of the word like we've been doing? What if the blend was at the end of the word? Let's try a word that has a blend at the end of it. Are you ready? The word is mask. Like my costume has a mask. Let's tap that. Ask. Mask. Okay, so that starts with like in man. Ask. Now I know that at the ending of a word, there's two letters that can make the k sound. I could have this, the letter C. I could have the letter K. Oh, actually three, because I could have the digraph CK. But here's the thing with this word, the ending letter is a K. Now I'm going to show you if we had CK at the end. Look at what that would look like. It really doesn't look right at all. That's three consonants next to each other. We just want to have two. So I'm putting a K there. And that is how you spell mask. I'm going to put back my M. I'm going to put back my A. I'm going to put back my S. And I'm going to put back my K. So when you're reading today, think about if you notice any words that maybe have two consonants right smack next to each other.